we have a tool called Animbrush, and if I click the trigger on my secondary hand, I can make a bunch of empty frames. Then if I hit play, while the animation's playing back, I can draw, and it will record those frames. So that's one way to kind of sketch out a movement and plan things or create different effects, things exploding, particles whizzing by. It's a great tool. There's another way that we can use Animbrush though, and that's if we don't necessarily know how many frames we need. If I wanted to plan maybe a character jumping and running across the screen, and to arm my Animbrush so that it's ready to start recording my sketch, all I have to do is hold down the left trigger. I'm also going to go into my Animbrush settings and set the length down to maybe 1 or 2. All right, so with the left trigger held down, all I have to do is press to draw. And then when I release my trigger, it will have recorded that motion and created the number of frames needed. You have those two ways of using Animbrush, either making a bunch of blank frames and letting it loop around within that, or by just making a layer, not knowing how long you want the animation to be, hold down the trigger, and then just draw.